Wow.
I didn't use anything in my hair. This is fresh at home. So hard because
One blackbird.
finally, I'm done with class for the day. I actually should be done by 9, but luckily that lecturer will not be here, so I have no more classes for today. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I am extremely tired. I need to go catch up on whatever I have to catch up on, like homework and that stuff, because yes, I have homework already. So yeah, see you tomorrow, next week.